Hi, this is King of Review. Which of the following graphs represents the system of inequalities? Negative 2x is less than 5y minus 1, and y is greater than 2x plus 3. What we'll do first is put each of these in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is equal to the slope and b is equal to the y-intercept. The reason we're putting it into this form is because it's an easy way to graph a line. So let's first rearrange this inequality here so that it's in slope-intercept form. So when we rearrange it, we get y is greater than negative 2 over 5 times x plus 1 over 5. And so when we look at this equation here, we see that the slope is negative 2/5 and the y-intercept is 1/5. And now looking at this inequality here, y is greater than 2x plus 3, it's already in slope-intercept form. Therefore, 2 is the slope and 3 is the y-intercept. Now we're ready to graph. Here's our axes. Here's the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's start by graphing the first inequality. Y is greater than negative 2/5 x plus 1/5. So the y-intercept is 1/5. So that's about here. And next we have a negative slope of negative 2 over 5. So this means it will go down 2 over 5. So if we go down 2 and over 5, our next point is right here. And we see we have a greater than sign. This means we're going to use a dotted line to connect our 2 points. So here's our line. And last of all, we need to figure out which side of the line to shade. So since y is greater than negative 2/5 x plus 1/5, because of the greater than sign, we know we're going to shade above the line, like this. And for the second inequality, I'll graph this in red so we can see the difference. So y is greater than 2x plus 3. So our y-intercept is 3. Here's 3. So right here is the y-intercept. And our slope is 2, positive 2. So this means up 2 over 1. So up 2 over 1 is here. And we have a greater than sign. So this means we're going to use a dotted line to connect our points. So we have our line here, and now we need to determine which side of the line to shade. So because we have a greater than sign, y is greater than, that means we're going to shade the left-hand side or the top side of our line, like this. So now we have graphed both inequalities. And the area where both inequalities are shaded is the solution to this graph. Letter D is correct. Thanks for watching.